going on, guys? So this is gonna be how to mod the factory buzzer to play whatever song you want. So this is the PUI Programmable Buzzer. It's purchased on eBay. I'll put a link in the description below. A word of advice: make sure you guys have a computer or a laptop that uses USB 2.0 or older. I tried using my newer computer and the USB drive itself wasn't reading the buzzer. So make sure you guys have access to that. So you got the factory buzzer and you have the aftermarket programmable buzzer hooked up to the stock factory buzzer. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's connected. Alright, so we got the insides. So as you can see here, we got the factory buzzer. Excuse me. So this part I bent down so it doesn't make any contact. That was the original buzzer. And the frame of it, which I found out is the ground, so I got the ground hooked up. It's just wrapped around for right now. I don't want to make everything permanent and find out I was wrong. So I got that right there. And then for the positive, let's see if we can get it. I just have it stuffed underneath and being pinched by the board and the buzzer part right here. So as you can see, I just bent it far enough where it doesn't make any contact. And that's a way to disable it too if you want your dome light to work and not have the buzzer. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is download your audio file if you don't have it yet. Download it any way you guys are able to download it. I don't want to get in trouble for showing you how I do it, but I do everything on my phone. But now I have the speaker hooked up, the buzzer, to my laptop, and then let's go ahead and drop my file that I have into my door buzzer folder. So let's go to download. Here we go. Let's try using this one. And you're going to open up the PUI audio installer. Let's go ahead and add file. So this was the one that freshly downloaded. And the maximum is 2 minutes from what I found with this buzzer. So anything under 2 minutes will work. So then you just go and write file. It'll do its thing. Shouldn't take that long. Yeah, there you go. See, since the file is over 2 minutes long, so we're gonna have to go ahead and cut that. Be right back. Alright, so since we're gonna do some editing, let's show you what program I use. It's gonna be this one right here. It's called Super Sound. Go into to my files and trim audio. This one was the one that we originally downloaded. Yeah, sounds good. So you're gonna take this and do about. Alright, I got the file loaded and edited already. So let's go ahead and write. Let the computer do its thing to save the audio file into the programmable buzzer. See it doing its thing. All right, so let's go ahead and put everything back together and let's go test it out. All right, I just plugged it in. Let's make sure this works. Yes. Close the door. Shuts off. Take the key out. Shuts off. There you go. Pieces.